Alright guys, so this is just a little video to show how to get Dynamic Pro on your S1000 single R, double R, 2014 and up, I believe, because I know it works for 2014 and up for the single R. But if you have lost your coating plug, this is the way to go. If you don't want to pay $25 from the dealer, or if you have been, if you bought the bike from somebody else that seems to have lost it, this is the route that I had to take, and I'm sure it should work for everybody else. Alright, so your first step is going to be obviously taking off the seat. Just two little bolts here, so you just flop your seat back and then take those bolts off. Then your next step is going to be to locate the plug in which the regular coating plug would actually plug into. It's going to have this cap on it normally, and it just clips out through a little clip. And on this guy, it is right here on the back. You just press it, and then it pulls right off the top. Same thing with the sleeve. It's kind of zip tied in here from the factory, and then you can just pull that out. But believe it or not, it is all you need is a single piece of wire set up just like this. I stripped mine down a little bit to fit in this circle or in the hole for the connector, because as you can see compared to my finger, it is very, very small holes. So if you do that, it'll make it a little bit easier on you. So yeah, all you got to do is take this and plug her on in. Just to show that I do not currently have Dynamic Pro. Just to show that I currently do not have Dynamic Pro on my bike here, I'm going to show you. So I have here the modes. I have rain, road, and dynamic. I do not have Dynamic Pro. It just keeps cycling between the three. I obviously do not have it plugged in right now. So I'm going to go ahead and plug it in, and then I'll show you what to do then after that. So now I have my jumper wire installed here. I literally just have it going from one side of the connector to the other. So you're essentially just jumping the connector, so you're completing the circuit, because it's just two wires going into this plug in the first place. So I guess if you want to do this to keep it a little bit more clean, you could just jump these wires together. But yeah, once you have that guy plugged in, start up your bike. And obviously when you're plugging this in, make sure you have the bike off. I don't know what it does with it on, so I wouldn't want to find out. But after I have it on there, you can see I press my modes: rain, road, dynamic, and Dynamic Pro. You can go through all of them, and I started the bike and it runs fine with it. And I have checked the wire and everything after and before running it for about 20 minutes. And there's no heat buildup in the wire or anything, so you don't have to worry about it actually short-circuiting anything. But yeah, that's about it.